Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve NEET UG 2019 paper and the code is P1. As the NEET exam date announced recently, I am requested to students to solve each and every previous year paper to better understand of the exam pattern or the question pattern. You can analyze the number of questions comes from different parts of the chemistry syllabus at 11th or 12th. So let us start the solving of the chemistry UG 2009 paper code P1. 46 question number. The number of sigma and pi bonds in pent to En and 4y pent to En 4yn each. The question is how many number of sigma and pi bonds are there in pent to En 4yn. So to solve this question, you have to know the IUPAC name, nomenclature very much and very thoroughly. Here you have to draw the structure of pent to En 4yn. Then you can calculate the number of sigma and pi bonds. In the screen, the solution is there, and from the 4 option, answer 1. Option 1 is correct. There are 10 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. Here, if there is only single bond, then it will be declared as, it will be called as sigma bond. If there is double bond, one is sigma, first is sigma, other is pi. If there is triple bond, first is sigma and other two are pi bond. So here all the sigma bonds are notified and pi bonds are also notified. There are only 3 pi bonds and 10 sigma bonds. Next, move to the question number 47. The structure of intermediate A in the following reaction. This reaction is the preparation of phenol from isopropyl benzene, and this is the structure of isopropyl benzene. First, reacts with O2 gives A, which on hydrolysis gives phenol and acetone. Here the question is name the intermediate, that is name the A. 4 options are there. So answer is in your screen. Cumene or isopropyl benzene undergoes oxidation, gives cumene hydroperoxide. This is addition reaction, and COOH, that is cumene hydroperoxide, will be formed, and which on hydrolysis rearrangement takes place, acetone form and phenol form. This is the one method of preparation of phenol. If you know every method of preparation of phenol, you can answer quickly, and the option is the 2, that is cumene hydroperoxide is the answer. Next, move to the question number 48. The correct structure of tribromo octoxide. Tribromo octoxide means 3 bromines are there and 8 oxygen are there. So all are in double bond with bromine. So this is the structure. Which is the correct structure? I think option 1 is the correct structure. Next, move to the answer. Already I told this is the correct structure. Tribromo octoxide. All are in double bond with bromine. 3 bromine and 8 oxygen. Very simple question. Next, move to the question number 49. This is from atomic structure. 4d, 5p, 5f and 6p orbitals are arranged in the order of decreasing energy. The correct option is, you can know very well the above principle. The electrons are filled in the orbital in increasing order of their energy, and the energy is calculated by using n plus L rule. If n value is same, then we can calculate. If the n plus L value is same for both the orbital, then we can take the value of n. Here the n plus L value, n means principal quantum number, L means azimuthal quantum number. 4d, 5p, 5f, 6p So n plus L value for 4d orbital is 6, 5 is 6, 5f is 8, and 6p is 7. The highest energy is 5f orbital, then 6p. From between 4d and 5p, n value of 5p is more, so 5p orbital has more energy, so then 5p, then 4d. The correct order of energy would be 5f, 6p greater than 5p greater than 4d, or option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 50. Which of the following reactions are disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation reaction means simultaneously oxidation reaction takes place and reduction reaction also takes place. This question comes from the redox reaction chapter, class 11th. And answer is that all the first option is option A, 2 Cu plus gives Cu plus 2 and Cu0, Cu copper metal. So here plus 1 oxidation state in left hand side, and the right hand copper has oxidation state plus 2. So here is oxidation takes place. If oxidation number increases, then it is called oxidation. If oxidation number decreases, it is called reduction. The first one is the disproportionation reaction. Second, manganese has plus 6. In product side, manganese has plus 7. Another manganese has plus 4. So here also increase and decrease in oxidation number takes place. So this is also disproportionation reaction. In third case, in manganese, in KMnO4 has plus 7 oxidation state, but in product side, the oxidation state of manganese is plus 6 and another is plus 4. So here only decrease in oxidation number takes place, so it is not a disproportionation reaction, it is only redox reaction. In option D, manganese has plus 7 oxidation state, in product side plus 4, it decreases takes place. In option D, another reactant has oxidation number plus 2 and product has plus 4. So here one is decreases, another is increases. So this is also disproportionation reaction. So I think 3, A and B only disproportionation reaction, and I think the last is not a. Manganese has plus 7 oxidation, here manganese has plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 4, a decrease in oxidation number, so this is reduction reaction. Another manganese has plus 2 and plus 4, it is increase in oxidation number, and it is also a oxidation in reaction. So we can compare only reactant, only one reactant of the only one element or ions of the reactant. So here 2 are there, so this is not a dispersion reaction. So only 2 A, V are the correct answer. Let's move to the 51 option. Under isothermal condition, a gas at 300 Kelvin expands from 0.1 liter to 0.25 liter against a constant external pressure of 2 bar. The work done by the gas is given that 1 a liter bar is equal to 100 joule. There are 4 options. So this is isothermal condition. Isothermal means at constant temperature, there is no change in heat, energy or temperature. The 300 Kelvin, here is the temperature. The pressure varies from 0.1 liter to 0.25 liter. So the volume expands, volume varies, and external pressure is only 2 bar. The formula is W irreversible process is the example of irreversible process, and minus P external del V. Here del V changes from 0.2 to 0.25 to 0.1. So V2 minus V1, V2 here 0.25, V1 is 0.1, pressure is 2 bar, and answer is minus 30 joule. Option 1 is the answer. Next, question number 52. Among the following, the one that is not a greenhouse gas. Option 4, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide gas is not a greenhouse gas. Question number 53. For the cell reaction, this calculate the standard Gibbs energy formula is minus NF E0 cell. This is very, very important questions from the chapter electrochemistry. Here the given E0 cell 0.24 volt. The minus A, number of electrons involved is 2, and E0 cell is 0.24, and F is the 96500 coulomb. All are given, and the option 1 is the correct answer. Minus 46.32 kilojoule per mole. You have to remember the relationship between electrode potential, standard electrode potential, and standard Gibbs free energy. Question number 54 says enzymes that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer require an alkaline earth metal M as the cofactor M each. All enzymes that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer require magnesium as the cofactor. That's option 2. Magnesium is the answer. You can memorize it. These memory based questions. Question number 55, the most suitable reagent for the following conversations. And this is the very important questions. The first in the reactor there is alkyne, and in product there is cis alkene. So here is 2-butane, and also in the product side there is cis-2-butene. And here you have to remember the reagents should be palladium, carbon, quinoline, and hydrogen. Here addition of hydrogenation takes place, but cis should be formed, not trans. So here hydrogen and palladium, carbon, quinoline is the correct reagent, and option 2 is the answer. Question number 56, which is the correct thermal stability order for S2E? Here E is the all the elements of oxygen family. So on going down the group, when we moving down the group from top to bottom, thermal stability order for oxygen groups hydrides decreases because the hydrogen and E elements bond energy decreases. When we move from top to down, the thermal stability order decreases. The highest is water, then H2S, then H2SC, then H2T, then H2PO. The water has most thermal stability element compound or hydride in oxygen family. Here question number 57, which of the following is incorrect statement? You have to memorize these questions. PbF4 is covalent, SiCl4 is easily hydrolyzed, GX for your fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine or X is more stable than GX2, or SN4 is ionic in nature. You have to remember SN14 and also lead fluoride is ionic in nature, not covalent. They form by pairing, only complete transfer of electrons. So these two are ionic in nature, not covalent. The option 1 is the correct option. These 4 are pure nitrogen. You have to match the columns. Haber's process, you can remember that Haber's process is the process in which ammonia can be prepared. So B option is matched with third eye ammonia. Contact process, you also remember, that is the formation of sulfuric acid through the contact process, and C option is matched with option 2I. Decons process is the preparation of chlorine, and D option is matched with option I, and another is A option, pure nitrogen, is matched with sodium azide or barium azide. Quickly move to the question number 59. All are correct. Which of the following diatomic molecular species has only pi bonds according to molecular orbital theory? You have to draw energy level diagram, molecular orbital diagram. So here oxygen has pi bonds, molecular has only pi bonds according to nitrogen, carbon, beryllium, but answer is carbon. I make a video for MOT, molecular orbital theory, how we draw energy level diagram, we can calculate bond order easily. So for answering these questions, we have to draw energy level diagram. So here is the option. Third is the answer, that is molecular orbital configuration. C2 is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2 px2 equal to pi 2 pi 2. For the second period elements, the correct increasing order of first ionization enthalpy, option 2. Here beryllium and nitrogen have comparatively more stable valencies of shell than boron and oxygen, and correct order of first ionization enthalpy is lithium less than boron, less than beryllium, less than carbon, less than oxygen, less than nitrogen, less than fluorine, and less than neon. Question number 61, the biodegradable polymer is here of nylon 2 and nylon 6 is the answer. pH of a saturated solution is this calcium hydroxide is 9. The solubility product KSP of calcium hydroxide is, here you have to ionize, write the complete reaction. Here calcium hydroxide on dissociation gives calcium ion and 2 moles of hydroxide ion. pH here is 9, hence pH is equal to 5. So here the concentration of hydroxide ion is 10 to the power minus 5. So hence calcium ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 2. KSP is equal to product of the ionic product of the concentration of the both cation and anion. You can product it and multiply it, and the answer is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 15. If the rate constant for a first order reaction is K, the time required for the completion of 99% of the reaction is given by the first order reaction. K is equal to 2.303 by T log A0 by AT. 99% complete, so you have to write 100 by 90, 100 by 1, 100 minus 99. So 2.303 by T log 10 to the power 2, 2.303 by T into 2 log 10, and answer is 4.606 by K. T equal to 4.606 by K. Question number 64. The non-essential amino acid among the following is alanine is the non-essential. You have to remember which are the essential amino acid, which are the non-essential, which are acidic, which are basic, what is deuterium, what is amphoteric behavior of amino acid. You have to all things are memorized. Question number 65. Among the following the reaction that proceeds through an electrophilic substitution reaction, the first is chlorobenzene is formed, a nitrogen gas, second case halogenation takes place, third also halogenation, fourth is also chlorination takes place, matlab CH2Cl is formed. The option 2 is the correct option. This is the halogenation reaction, chlorination reaction in the presence of Lewis acid. Chlorinium ion is formed and chlorinium ion is attacked to one of the carbon position of the benzene, and chlorobenzene will form. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction. These are the mechanism. Here chloronium ion is the electrophile. The mixture that forms maximum boiling azeotrope water plus nitric acid is the answer. Solution showing negative deviation from Raoult's law from maximum boiling azeotrope water and nitric acid for maximum boiling azeotrope. For the chemical reaction N2 plus 3H2, you have to write disappearance appearance, the rate reaction. In the reactant you can write negative sign, the minus dN2 by dt is equal to minus 13 dH2 by dt is equal to plus 1 by 2 dNH3 by dt. So I think option 3 is the correct option. The number of moles of hydrogen molecules required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber's process. Here the equation for the preparation of ammonia. 20 moles needed to be produced. 2 moles of ammonia will be formed from 3 moles of hydrogen. 20 moles of ammonia will form from 30 moles of hydrogen. Question number 69. The compound that is most difficult to protonate. Here option 4. Option 4 is phenol due to resonance. So this is very most difficult to protonate. Due to involvement of lone pair of electrons in resonance in phenol, it will have positive charge. Hence incoming proton will not be able to attack easily. For an ideal solution, option 3, for ideal solution we know del H mix equal to 0, del V mix equal to 0, del S mix is greater than 0 and del G mix is less than 0. Conjugate base for Bronsted acid H2 and HF. Conjugate base means there is addition of subtraction of H plus, that is OH minus and F minus respectively. Next question number 72. Which mixture of the solution will lead to the formation of negatively charged colloidal AgI minus solution? Option 2 is the correct. Generally charge present on the colloid is due to the adsorption of common ion from dispersion medium. Millimole of Ki is maximum in option 2, 15 to 2 equal to 100. So act as solvent and anion I minus is adsorbed by the colloid AgI formed. This is the equation. Among the following the narrow spectrum antibiotic you have to remember. This is from polyvalent antibiotics medicines chapters. Option 1 penicillin G is the answer. Question number 74. An alkene A on reaction with O3 and ZnH2O gives propanol and ethanol. This is ozone-lysis reaction. In equimolar ratio, addition of HCl to alkene A gives B. As the major product, the structure of product B is. Here option 3 is the answer. And this is the equation. Here 2-methyl butene on ozone-lysis gives propanol and ethanol, and addition of HCl, this is Markovnikov's rule. The negative part of the adding reagent will be R to the carbon atom across a double bond which contain least number of hydrogen atom. So here in carbon, chlorine atom added, and this is the product V. This is always Markovnikov's rule. Goes to the question number 75. What is the correct electronic configuration of the central atom in K4Fe6 based on crystal field theory? So you have to, if your iron is in +2 oxidation state, so here there are 6 valence electron in iron ions. So Cn is the strong field ligand. So for the strong field ligand, you have to low spin complex will be formed. In low spin complex, there is a pairing will take place, and all the electrons are present in the T2g orbital, and the electronic configuration is T2g6, Eg0. Option 2 is the answer. 76. Identify the incorrect statement related to PCl5 from the following. So here PCl5 molecule is non-reactive. The option 4 is the correct answer. These are the some diagrammatically representation. First is true, second also true, 180 degree. Third axial bond 240, equatorial true, false is the 4 option. 77 question, which will make basic buffer? Answer is the option 3. This is the equation. Acetic acid plus NaOH gives sodium acetate, and before 25 ml 50 ml into 0.1 molar gives 2.55. After 0 2.5 2.5, this is basic solution due to NaOH strong base. This is not basic buffer. NH4OH here 2. This is the NaOH. This is not also basic buffer. Option 3 is also not this is the basic buffer, but option 4 is the neutral because all are the strong acids. Next, question number 78. The major product of the following reaction. Here phthalic acid and phthalimide will form. Option 2 is the answer. Next, move to the next questions. 79. Match the xenon compounds in column 1 with its structure in column 2 and assign the correct code. XeO4, you know, there is the square planar, XeF6 distorted octahedral, XeO3 pyramidal, XeO4 square pyramidal. All other structure given, you can write it down in your note copy, or you can watching the videos, you can learn concentrately or for a longer time. You have to understand. Next, question number 80. The manganate and permanganate ions are tetrahedral due to option 1. The pi bonding involves overlap of p orbitals of oxygen with d orbitals of manganese. This is the structure of manganate ion and permanganate ion, and due to the d by p pi bonding. 81. Which of the following species is not stable? Option 4, SiCl6-2. Due to presence of d orbital in Si, germanium and tin, they form species like SiF6-2, GeCl6-2, SnOH6-2. SiCl6-2 does not exist because 6 large chloride ions cannot be accommodated around chlorine silicon 4 plus due to the limitation of its size. Question number 82. For a cell involving 1 electron, here standard cell potential given. The equilibrium constant, you have to memorize the relationship. E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by n log Q. Here put it down. E0 cell equal to E cell equal to 0, E0 cell minus 0.059 by 1 log K eq. K eq is equal to 10 to the power 10, that is 1 into 10 to the power 10. Next, move to question number 83. Which of the following is an amphoteric hydroxide? Beryllium hydroxide amphoteric, since it can react both acid and base. Question number 84. The gas are 350 Kelvin and 15 bar phase, molar volume 20% smaller than that for an ideal gas. Under the same condition, the correct option about the gas and its compressibility factor. Here from the gas state questions, compressibility factor means V real by V ideal. V real is less than V ideal, hence Z is less than 1. If Z is less than 1, attractive forces are dominant among gaseous molecules and liquefaction of gas will be easy. 5 questions more. Question number 85. One compound is formed by cation C and anion A. The anions form hexagonal close-packed lattice and the cations occupy 75% of octahedral voids. The formula of the compound. This question is from solid state and option 3, that is C3A4 is the answer. Anion A are in SCP, so number of anions is equal to 6. Cations are in 75% octahedral voids, so number of cations equal to 6 into 3 by 4, that equal to 9 by 2. So formula of compound will be C9 by 2A6, C9A12, that means C3A4. Question number 86. In which case change in entropy is negative? Option 4, that is 2H gas gives H2 gas. Here H2 liquid gives H2 volume. Expansion of gas at constant temperature, del S is greater than 0. Sublimation of solid to gas, del S is greater than 0. 2H gives del S is less than 0 because del N number of moles change is less than 0. Question number 87. Which of the following series of transitions in the spectrum of hydrogen atom fall in visible region? You know very well, that is option 2, Balmer series. Question number 88. The method used to remove temporary hardness of water, which method is used? Option 2, the Clark's method. In Clark's method is used to remove temporary hardness of water, in which bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium are reacted with slaked lime calcium hydroxide. Question number 89. Which one is malachite from the following? Malachite, CuCO3, CuO whole 2 twice, that is option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 90 and the last questions of 2019 NEET paper. Question is the correct order of the basic strength of methyl substituted amines in aqueous solution 213. Secondary amine is greater than primary amine is greater than tertiary amine. Option 1 is the correct option. Most of the questions are very easy and few are moderate. Basically moderate questions are come from inorganic. So besides these 6 questions, other 40 questions are very easy. Please, for in next video we come with 2018 solved paper. Please subscribe my channel and also comments and give suggestions any questions regarding any chapter you know to study or to know better idea. So please comments. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll see you back again on next video. Thank you.